Alright, so this is third map. I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. As you see, everybody in the game. As you see, I'm spectating me. I'm just gonna fast forward it. As you see, we're obviously the gold Mercs team. I'm just gonna fast forward this. And as you can see, they take a 3-1 lead. But here we come. As you can see, the connection's fine. Actually, limit is 2 bar. So they might, I don't even know. Everybody's 2 bar. As you can see, it's not a limit. It was the connection. As you can see, everybody's 1 bar. This connection was ass. As you can see, everybody's fucking 1 bar. Connection is straight ass. But as you can see, we're coming back, and it's funny how limitation gets timed offline. Right as soon as you see we came back, we're up 4-3, and then limit just gets stuck. Right, look at this nigga. You just stuck. Look at that, holding a bouncing Betty or something. It's like, it ain't nothing but look. Doesn't even have his gun out or nothing. Just stuck. As you can see, these niggas fucking flooded them because we came all the way back and we won. And they was talking mad shit. And fucking Bulletproof's fucking... Oof. Let me go on Bulletproof's page real quick. Now you know what, that's good enough. I got it.